Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what we believe is the best kids plastic folder with pockets on the market, the Dunwell Plastic 2 Pocket Folders. Available in a vibrant 6-pack of assorted colors. Whether you're a parent, teacher, or student, these folders offer a perfect blend of durability, functionality, and fun colors that kids will love. First, let's talk about the colors. This set includes 6 different folders in red, green, blue, yellow, orange, and purple. These vibrant hues not only make it easy to organize different subjects or projects, but they also add a splash of color to your child's school supplies. It's a simple way to encourage organization without the fuss. Now, the size of these folders is perfectly designed to fit standard US letter size paper, measuring just over 9 by 11.5 inches. Each folder has 2 pockets, and each pocket can hold more than 50 pages, making it great for holding homework, class handouts, artwork, or important documents. Plus, these aren't your average paper folders. They're made from heavy-duty polypropylene plastic, which means they're flexible, tear-resistant, water-resistant, and easy to clean, perfect for the rough and tumble of everyday use by kids. One standout feature is the inclusion of adhesive labels. These labels peel off cleanly and let you easily mark each folder with your child's name, subject, or any other notes. There's also a handy name card slot inside for extra personalization, which is great if your folders get mixed up with classmates. Unlike traditional folders that use metal prongs to hold papers, these folders are prong-free. This is a thoughtful design choice, making them safer for kids to handle and less prone to bending or damaging important papers. The folders are also acid-free, meaning they won't yellow or damage documents over time. A nice touch if you want to keep papers safe and looking fresh. These folders aren't just for school. They're great for home use or even professional settings. Whether your child is working on school projects or you need to keep your office documents organized, these folders fit the bill with their sturdy build and practical design. To summarize, the Dunwell Plastic 2 Pocket Folders bring together bright colors, strong materials, and useful features like labels and name slots. They're a smart, long-lasting investment for keeping papers safe, organized, and easily accessible. If you want folders that can handle the wear and tear of everyday use and help your kids stay organized with style, this 6-pack is definitely worth checking out. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more honest product insights. See you next time.